Hello, my dear students. Good morning. I am Priyadarshini. I am your math teacher, Standard 4. Due to lockdown, the spreading of the COVID-19 coronavirus diseases, so today I am going to teach you through this video. So first chapter, math, your first chapter, large numbers. So before I discuss the large numbers, I go to just discuss the previous class, Standard 3. So already you have taught in Standard 3 the one digit number. Just remind one digit number, two digit number, three digit number and four digit number. One digit number, the smallest and largest. Smallest one digit number is 1 and the largest one digit number is 9. And two digit number, the smallest two digit number is 10 and largest two digit number is 99. Already you have taught this in standard 3 and 2. So the largest three digit number is smallest three digit number is 100 and largest three digit number is 999. Then comes to four digit number. The smallest four digit number is 1000 and largest four digit number is 9999. So ये जो है already you have taught in standard 3. So now come to your book, recall exercise. So there are some questions in your book, recall exercise. So first question is one number. So there are so many questions are there. So question number A, 1. Write the number and number name and show the number on the abacus. So first write the number and number names. So यहाँ पर two figures है, this two figures है यहाँ इसके लिए तुम्हारे बुक में 4 figures है. I'm sorry. There are 4 figures just like this. So these are 4 figures. So 4 and these 2 figures for 2. These are 3 sticks, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 7. So your answer is 4237. So how can you write this number in name? Already you have taught in standard 3. So 4000. इसका प्लेस वैल्यू मालूम है, ये है 1s प्लेस, ये है तुम्हारा 10s प्लेस, ये है तुम्हारा 100 प्लेस एंड ये है तुम्हारा 1000 प्लेस. सो 4237. So then this number we can put in abacus. Do you know what is abacus? Abacus is a mathematical tool. It is used for calculating manually. So this is the 10,000. Sorry, यहाँ से शुरू करो. This is the 1s place. This is the 10s place. This is the 100 place. This is the 1000 place. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000. So we can put here. This is a wooden string and this is the stick. So we can put here beads. This is the abacus. In this, it is a mathematical tool. In this tool, we can calculate manually. So we can put here the beads. First 1s place में there are 7. 1s place में 7 है. So यहाँ पर we can put 7 beads. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 3 है तुम्हारा 10s place में. So we can put here 1, 2, 3. Then 2 है तुम्हारा 100 place में. So we can put here 1 and 2 beads. देन 4 है तुम्हारा थाउजेंड्स प्लेस में, सो यू कैन पुट हियर 1 2 3 4 बीट्स, ये हो गया तुम्हारा। सो यू कैन पुट हियर द बीट्स इन abacus. Okay, so one number complete. Just like this you can solve the question number 2. Then come to the question number B. Question number B 1. Write the number of the number name. 6090. 6090. So this is the number name. So we can write here number. ये जो है तुम्हारा यहाँ पर ये क्या है ना, ये तुमको वर्ड में दिया गया है, उसको हम फिगर में लिखेंगे। ये जो क्वेश्चन है तुम्हारा ये तुमको वर्ड में दिया गया है, उसको हम लिखेंगे नंबर में। सो 6090, 6 है तुम्हारा 1000 प्लेस में, 6090। यहाँ पर 100 प्लेस में कुछ नहीं है, सो देयर इज नथिंग इन द 100 प्लेस, सो 0 कम्स इन 100 प्लेस, देन 90, 6090. So like this, another example, just I will take here another example, 3250. So how can we write this number? The 3250, this is given in word, so we can write in number 3250. 3 है तुम्हारा thousands place में, so 3000, 2, this is the 100 place, 200, then 50. So there are so many questions in your book, and there are some extra questions just already I have given in your holiday homework. Just you have to solve these questions. Then come to the write the numbers. See number question, write the numbers. Smallest 4-digit number, already you know that. What is the smallest 4-digit number, what is the largest 4-digit number, and what is the smallest 3-digit number, and what is the greatest 3-digit number, already you know that. So one number question is smallest 4-digit number, so you know that already. Smallest 4-digit number, smallest 4-digit number is 1000. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. So you know that the greatest 4-digit number 9999. Now come to smallest 4-digit number using the digits. Smallest 4-digit number using the digits, using the digits 0341. So we can prepare a number, smallest 4-digit number using the digits 0341. 0341 को यूज करके we will write the smallest 4-digit number. So look at here, 0, this is the सबसे smallest क्या है, 0 है, but 0 फर्स्ट नहीं आएगा, because क्योंकि हमको 4-digit नंबर लिखना है, सो इसीलिए फर्स्ट कम 1, देन कम 0, देन कम 3, देन कम 4. इट इज द स्मॉलेस्ट 4-digit नंबर 1034. ओके, 0 पहले नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि 0 आएगा तो ये हो जाएगा तुम्हारा 3-digit नंबर, ये तुम्हारा 4-digit नंबर नहीं होगा, इसीलिए फर्स्ट कम 1, then 0, then 3, then 4, and there will be no comma in between these digits. There will be no comma in between these digits. Okay, because comma आएगा तो ये हो जाएगा digits, ये नंबर नहीं होगा, इसीलिए so इसके अंदर comma नहीं आएगा. So your answer is 1034. Then write the numbers in the standard form. This is the recall exercise, that means already you have taught these questions in standard 3. So just remind 6300 300 plus 90 plus 5. So we can write this number in standard form. In standard form 6000. So how can you write this number? So पहले first come ones place 5 ones 5, then 90 9 है तुम्हारा tens place में, then come 9, then 300 3 है तुम्हारा 100 place में, come 3, then 6000 6 है तुम्हारा thousands place में. So your answer is 6395. Just another example. For example, 2040 plus 2. This is another example. So first you write 2. This is the ones place में 2, first come 2, then tens place में 4, then there is no digit in 100 place. There is no digit in 100 place. So in 100 place it comes 0, then 2 is in the thousands place. So 2042 is your answer. Then come to the expanded form. So how can we write a number in an expanded form? So 3402. So just you have to remember the place value of a number. So 3402, 2 ones place, 0 tens, 400, 3402. First come, how can you write this number? Expanded form 3000 plus 400 plus 0 tens, that means 0. So 2 0 लिखने से there will be not need to write the 2 zeros. So write down only 1 0, 0 tens means 1 0, then 2 ones means 2. 3402. Just give another example. Example 2. For example 6582. So how can we write this number in an expanded form? 6500 plus 80 plus 2. There will be another method also. How can I write this number in another way? और इसको भी हम लिख सकते हैं और इसको भी हम लिख सकते हैं another way. और 6000 plus 500 plus 8 tens plus 2 ones. Okay, so we can write in this way also and we can write in this way also. So now come to ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Ascending order means increasing order. That means we can arrange a number from smallest to greatest. Ascending orders. Ascending order means increasing order. So just take an example. Ascending order means increasing order. So we can arrange a number in an order from smallest to largest. So first of all we arrange a order. How can we arrange order? First of all we can count the digits in a number. So यहाँ पर कितना है 1 2 3 4 digit number. So 1 2 3 4 digit number. So here all the numbers are 4 digit. So first of all how can we arrange a number? So we can identify the last number, not this number. From this number we can start from here. Okay, so this is the ones place, this is the tens place, this is the 100 place, this is the thousands place. We can start from 1000 place, not we can start from 1 place. Okay, so 1000 place, here we identify This is the here 3. Here also 3, here also 3, here also 3, and here also 3. All the digits are same. All the digits are same in all the numbers. 3, 3, 3. So how can we identify which is the smallest and which is the largest? Then come to the next number. Just come to the next number. Just compare next number. 6, here 9, here 6, here 0. So 0 is the smallest. So your first answer, first come 3084. Then here 6, here 6. 6 and 6 both are same. So just come to the 100 place. Sorry, come to the tens place. Third number. So 9 and here is 4. So this is the smallest number, 3649. Then come which number? 3694, and the last number is 3964. This will be arranged in ascending order. Just another example. 1392. Next number is 997 and 1046 and 87. Here the 4 numbers are there, so we can arrange in ascending order. So ascending order, so first we have count all the digits in this number. So this is the 4-digit number, this is the 3-digit number, and this is the 4-digit number, and this is the 2-digit number. So first 2-digit number, this is the smallest, 87. Then 3-digit number, 997. Then ये है तुम्हारा 4-digit number and ये है तुम्हारा 4-digit number. So just we have to compare these two numbers, 1392, 1046. So 1 and 1 same. Then 3, then 0. So first come this number, 1046, then 1392. This is your answer. So next, descending order. Descending order or decreasing order. The descending order is opposite of the ascending order. It is just opposite of the ascending order. 6518, then 6815, then third one is 6185, then last one is 6581. So we will arrange this number in descending order. Descending matlab decreasing order from largest to smallest. So here first same method we can count the digits of this number. This is the 4-digit number, this is the 4-digit number, this is the 4-digit number, and this is the also 4-digit number. All the numbers are same, 4-digit. So first of all we have to compare this place 6, 6, 6, 6. All the numbers, all the digits are same. Then we can compare the next numbers, 5, 8, 1, 5. 5, 8, 1, 5, 8. It is the largest number among all this number. 6815. Then 6518 and 6581. 5 and 5 same. Just we compare 1 and 8. 1 and 8. So this number comes second, 6581. Then 6518. Then last one is 6185. So we can arrange this number in descending order. सबसे बड़ा ये number है, then this number, last this number. So ascending, descending already complete. So this is the HW for you. Recall exercise. Recall exercise. There are some questions in your textbook and there are some extra questions I have given in your holiday homework. Okay, just you will solve that questions and these questions also. If you have any doubt, you can contact me in this number. When you solve the questions, if you have any doubt, you can contact me in this number. Okay, so आज का क्लास खत्म हो गया. So stay at home, stay safe. Goodbye. Thank you.